Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Last night we had a barbecue for my grandparents because they are going back to the mainland for a little bit. Best believe I'm gonna have fish for them when they come back. It's a short video, but that's okay. I got some fried cole, I got some good grinds, we played some music, so enjoy the video. Yes, sir.
The yogurt one? Here, like they like, you know. Because it's kind of like... It's alright.
In a life's path, and day after day, it's the same old path. Who knows why? He likes to know. I wished I knew the answers for him to free his soul from captivity. Oh Lord, for he is free. Show him up the truth, forgive him and answer that will help him. He wants to free his body. He wants to free his mind. His friends in prison too long. Hear his song. Must the old street not fade away. Must the old street not fade away. He's been in prison too long. Hear his song.
No more picture. Okay, how's your grandma?
It's delicious. Do you cook this at home too?
Yeah, when I get.
Ah, I like to live in your house.
What, how's them? How's them? Buenos, cousin.
Ah, that's fucking good. Yes, it's good.
We do it island style. Lonely one side.
I'm trying to pick the bones out, you bonehead.
It's so nice to see familiar faces out in the crowd. And it's so nice to see friends of mine enjoying themselves. Everybody get happy, 'cause we can work it out. For we are friends, friends, friends. We are friends, 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 that's what we are. And I remember when I was down and out today. And I remember when you said friends, hey, what's your name? Getting off of each other, but we can work it out. For we are friends, oh friends, friends, yeah. For we are friends, 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 you and I. Feelings are getting strong, and you feel like you belong. In a close place you can feel, and the smiles they aren't so real. For we are friends, 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 that's what we are. For we are friends, friends, everybody now. For we are friends, 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 oh yeah. For we are friends.
What you eating?
Okay, fine.
Slow it down a little bit.
What you eating?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Grandma just brought it over here. Might be a little too
Oh,
Here, Jaya. Oh. Now I gotta eat one more fish. I really, really, really need it. Before I go back mainland, I gotta be filled with the Hawaiian fish. It's a grandma thing. See? I'm bone that sucker. No more fish?
almost fine. Cooking in the rain. Cooking in the rain. Cooking in the rain. Oi, I see dripping all over.
Oh yeah, right now. Oh! Dang! The grandma gets to eat the fish.
No, Graham, that one's hot.
She eat a hot, cold, everything. There you go.
See this. Read them and weep. Read them and weep. Swiss cheese port.
A good, a tank, a Jonah, amen.
Why the tell, Mom?
My heart is a tango. Every little move you make.
You made
I love pictures like mango. You can make it every day. Or when you drop, baby drop, baby drop. Get to drop all your love on me. Drop, baby drop, baby drop. Well, drop 'cause I'm hungry. Drop, baby drop, baby drop. Got to drop all your love on me. Drop, baby drop, baby drop. Well, drop 'cause I'm hungry.
I said, my sweet honey, baby, yes, you know I love you so. So hold on tight to baby, never let go. Cause you know that you can call me and I'll be there when I can. Cause you can count on me, cause I'm your Hawaiian super member.
Baby drop, baby drop. Got to drop all your love on me. Drop, baby drop, baby drop. Drop 'cause I'm hungry. Drop. I will show you guys off.
smoke.
Go right in.
Is it what you said?
Hey, you should sing.
I said,
Jonah said.
she had.
Jonah said.
She had.
See when ants ask guys play, man. Oh, anything come up, but just blend right here.
I know I said this was gonna be a short video, but I feel like cooking shepherd's pie. So let's cook. Yes, sir.